Hey, in this video I'm going to answer a frequently asked question about how to order the product backlog by priority. Now this is obviously using the Agile process. We have a user story, work item type, and the priority column here. And we want to order the backlog so that the highest priority items and the lowest story points are at the top, which would be the highest ROI items, down to the lowest ROI items at the bottom. Now you can't just click a button in Azure Boards and do that, but I am going to show you a workaround in using Excel to do just that. So first thing we want to do is create a query. I'm just going to call this the product backlog query, and I'll store it in the My Queries folder. And let's go open it up. And as you can see, it looks just like the product backlog. Same column, same order. We're going to add another column here, this hidden stack rank column. And if we click OK, you'll see a stack rank column off to the right there that's currently empty. And that's because we haven't done any dragging and dropping in the backlog, so there's no order other than the way they were added to the backlog initially. Let's now save this query, and I'm going to go use this extension I've installed to actually open it in Excel. It does this for me kind of in one click. It's kind of nice. And you can see over here in Excel, we've got the same rows and columns we had in that query and the same order of items. So what I'm going to do first is just select this whole range of data, just the rows themselves, not the headers, and then go to Data, Sort, and we're just going to use this sort feature in Excel. First we're going to sort on priority, and then we're going to add another level on the story points. So we'll get the lowest numbered priority, which is the highest priority. That never makes sense to me. And then down here would be the lowest priority and the highest story points effort item. So it would be the lowest ROI. At this point, we want to set up the stack rank so that it represents this order. And I can just use this little trick in Excel. I can put in, a 1 and then a 2, and then I can select both of these columns here, rows, and drag them down, and it will go ahead and put in the rest of those numbers. And at this point, I'm going to go to the Team menu and just hit Publish and publish this back to Azure Boards. And it'll take a second, and now it's been published. If I return to my browser and just press F5, you'll see that now I have the new priority there. If I go back to my backlog, I've got my new priority order here, just the way I wanted it. In this video, I've shown you how to use an Excel assigning of the stack rank hidden column to influence the order of the items in the product backlog as a workaround.